welcome to the RANsquawk US morning briefing for today, 6th of October. It has been a pretty eventful morning thus far. Currency market taking much of the focus today after an article in the Independent newspaper claimed that a number of Gulf nations may look to displace the dollar as the oil trading currency. However, as a result, the dollar index did take a hit, though since then that article has been denied by a senior OPEC official, as well as Russia, Saudi Arabia, UAE and Kuwait. Elsewhere, the Australian Central Bank raised rates by 25 basis points unexpectedly and said that it was prudent to gradually take policy accommodation away now that the worst danger of the economy has passed. As a result, the Aussie dollar strengthened against its major pairs. In terms of equities in Europe, they traded higher, supported by a range of bullish comments on US large banks yesterday, as well as on a weaker dollar, which aided the basic material stocks. On the flip side, bunds and T-notes traded in negative territory, though gilts outperformed after UK manufacturing fell to its lowest in 17 years. Also of note, spot gold has touched on a fresh record high today, $1,035 at 9 cents at last check. Further to that, WTI crude has been on an upward trend following a weaker dollar touching on highs of $71.63 at last check. In US equity specific news today, Boeing is to recognise a Q3 charge of 90 cents a share for the 747 program, citing higher costs to produce 747-8 airplanes. In terms of US banks, Deutsche Bank expects the pace of credit improvement in 2010 to be slower than expected and for employment to remain weak, and thus 2010 estimates for US banks are considered too aggressive. Also for Pfizer, the FDA said study shows company Cellentry drug well tolerated for HIV patients. Furthermore, Emerson is to buy Avocent for $1.2 billion, and Target is to open 26 new stores and create 5,000 new jobs. In terms of broker moves today, Intel has been named a long research tactical idea at Morgan Stanley, Corning upgraded to buy from neutral at UBS, and Tiffany rated a new buy at Citigroup. Also, Chesapeake Energy downgraded to underperform from neutral at Credit Suisse. So just looking ahead, we'll see the results of that $39 billion 3-year notes auction later on, and also see the release of the weekly API inventory numbers after the market close.